Socicake Preview. Why is it that many people are rushing to buy the Socicake? Socicake is a Facebook app that helps you to do incredible things on Facebook. It helps put your business on steroids. These are some of the things Socicake can do for you. Rich Post Editor, Post Manager, Clickable Images, Messenger Bot, Soci Inviter, Comment Bot, Content Designer, Optin Link. This is the ultimate Facebook marketing toolkit that includes 10 different software that will help you effortlessly drive literally everyone accessing Facebook every day to your offers or your website. Sociake will literarily help you to increase times 10 your engagement, traffic, leads, and sales to get outstanding results for yourself and your local business clients. Traffic on Facebook, the only place to get both quality traffic and that too truckloads of it. Check it out today. Click the link in the description box below for great bonuses when you buy through this link. I understand that the prices will increase soon. Hurry now, click the link in the description box below. Click it now. You will be empowered with the following tools. Tool number 1. Rich FB Post Editor. You can now add bold text, italicized, underlined and more on FB and make your post, comments, and ads stand out and capture people's attention, resulting in a huge boost in post engagement, leads, and sales. Tool number 2. Facebook Post Manager. Create and schedule link posts, image posts, video posts, call to action posts and slideshows across multiple Facebook pages and multiple Facebook accounts from one dashboard in minutes. Tool number 3. Clickable Images Creator. Turn every image you post on social media into a viral traffic machine. Until now, the only way to include a link is to add it to the description below the picture. People hardly want to look at the description, unless they are looking for a link for more information about it. These and many more tools are packaged together in Sociake. Click the link in the description box below for great bonuses when you buy through this link. I understand that the prices will increase soon. Hurry now, click the link in the description box below. Click it now.